In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily repost someone else's post on Instagram to your story or to your Instagram profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app, and once it is done, just search for a post you would like to repost and then just hit right here at this paper airplane icon, and that will give you some options here. First off, we can just copy a link to that post to share it manually with someone, and also here we have this option which is called add to story, and we can use it to immediately create a story with that post. And once we are here at that step, we can easily edit it. We can change background color by typing right here. We can add there some text in that simple way, just like that. Just enter your text here. We can change alignment, we can change text size here. Also, we can add there some stickers, some music, all this stuff. And then to share it to your story, just hit right here. However, guys, we do not have that direct option that allows us to share any post to our Instagram profile like we can do, let's say, on Facebook. However, we still have some options here, and unfortunately we can use this workaround just with the pictures. By using this method, we cannot share video posts like that. So now I'm gonna look for some text or picture post here. Here we got one. And then let's say if we would like to share that post to our Instagram profile, the workaround here is to take a screenshot. On an iPhone, we can use volume up button and power button. We need to press both of them at once, just like that. And after that, in that simple way, we can crop it from the top and from the bottom, just like so. And then we can hit done and then save to photos. So that's how we can save this picture to our photos gallery. And after that, once it is done, we can go, we can go to our Instagram profile, tap right here at plus. Then we can choose that picture, hit next, we can apply then some filter here, then next again, and after that we can also fill out these options, and then to share it, just hit right here. Basically, guys, these are the ways how we can easily repost someone's posts on Instagram, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.